Hello everyone and welcome to TaskRabbit, where you will find neighbors helping neighbors. Today we will be guiding you through a tutorial demonstrating the different features and user interfaces TaskRabbit has to offer. But before we get into all those fancy features, let me first show you all how to sign up. There are two different ways you can sign up for TaskRabbit. The first option is to sign up using your Facebook account. And the second option is to enter your email address and click the sign up button at the top of the page. Let me demonstrate both of them for you. First, click the Login with Facebook button. You will be redirected to Facebook and you will be required to install the TaskRabbit app. Once you have completed installing the app, you'll have to decide what permissions you'd like TaskRabbit to have. In this case, I don't want TaskRabbit to do anything on my wall, therefore I'm going to say skip. And there you have it. You have now created a TaskRabbit account by using your Facebook login. Now let me demonstrate how to sign up for TaskRabbit using the sign up button. TaskRabbit will bring you to this initial page where you'll have to decide whether you're signing up as a business or as an individual. In my case, I'll be signing up as an individual. Once you have decided, you'll have to fill out the required information such as full name, zip code, email, and password. Once you've completed filling in your information, click the sign up button. And there you have it. Now you have signed up for TaskRabbit using the sign up button. Now that you're all signed up for TaskRabbit, let me show you some of its beautiful features. To begin with, this is your home page, or as TaskRabbit calls it, your dashboard. Within your dashboard, you can access many of the features TaskRabbit has to offer. For instance, you can browse tasks, post a task, search all tasks, or find a TaskRabbit that suits your needs. Let us first help TaskRabbit to get to know ourselves by deciding whether we are using TaskRabbit for business tasks or personal tasks. I will choose personal tasks. Now that we've completed that, let's update our profile by clicking the Add Your Zip Code icon. As you can see, TaskRabbit has already filled in a few fields for us, but in order to complete our profile, we will need to complete the remaining information. Alright, now that that is complete, we better click Update to ensure everything is saved. Alright, perfect. Our account is now updated.
Another account setting you can modify is your credit card information. This option allows you to store your credit card information using an SSL secure network.
In addition to updating your account information, you can also modify the notifications you receive. As a default, TaskRabbit sends emails as well as mobile notifications when any event occurs. If you do not want to receive notifications to your email or mobile device, simply uncheck the boxes that apply. Once you have selected your preferences, click Change and your notification settings will be updated.
Hi again. I'm here to show you how to post a task. Posting a task is very simple. Let's say that you needed some computer help because your computer was frozen and you didn't know how to get it back to work again. The first thing you need to do is determine a location that you'd like to post the task in. Next, you need to categorize the task that needs to be done. Next, once you have completed those two steps, you will need to fill in the required information to help TaskRabbit determine the help that you need. Option 1. Title your task more specifically. Option 2. Add a public description of what needs to be done. Option 3. Allow the location finder to show where you are. Option 4. Specify a date and time when the task must be completed by. Option 5. Does the TaskRabbit need to spend any money? If so, this will be added to the final task price. Option 6. Choose whether you will allow the first person to accept the task price to do the job, or if you would like to ensue in an offer war where you may review and choose what and whom you think is best. Under both scenarios, you will choose a task expiration date for when you will end your search for a TaskRabbit. Lastly, we can choose to make this task private. We can choose to have this task completed remotely, where neither party have to leave their home. As well, we can choose this task to be repeated regularly. Once you have selected all of your options, save and continue. In posting the task, the platform requires our billing information to pay the lucky TaskRabbit who helps us out. Next, we are given the opportunity to have one last look over our task details before posting our task. And there you have it. You have now posted a task.
Have some free time and want to help someone out? TaskRabbit can help you by categorizing the various posts and providing the option to view all categories and subcategories of potential tasks. Here, posts of various types and cities are listed and ranked by most popular, and then the rest from A to Z.
There are tasks
Anywhere from gift wrapping, pet sitting, to HTML coding. Since we are experts in the technology field, we opt to check out the computer help category. TaskRabbit lists recently completed tasks and displays their performance rating, task price, and comments. Should you wish to have something similar done, viewing this page allows you to estimate what it may cost or what you will be paid, and if there's a large pool of candidates for the job. Task status shows when the task was completed and if the customer was satisfied.
Curious of who may be performing your task? TaskRabbit allows you to meet the TaskRabbits. On this page, all TaskRabbits are listed by level. As you can see, Dan B, or Dan the Man, has the highest level of 27. You can narrow your search for TaskRabbits by selecting nearby cities or viewing the TaskRabbits by their specialty. Say we require someone to help us with HTML coding. We would select HTML coding in the list of task specialties. Our search shows all TaskRabbits qualified to perform HTML-related tasks. Based on this search, it looks as though Chris M is the most qualified with a level of 26 and a rating of 4.98 out of 5. If you would like to know more about the TaskRabbit, click on their username. Here, you can read more about Chris and the task that he is an expert at. You can review his recent activities, and finally, browse through his most recent reviews. Based on the information you find, you can choose to hire Chris or continue browsing other TaskRabbits. Based on what we have read about Chris, he is more of a handyman than an HTML coder. Therefore, we will look to find a more qualified TaskRabbit. Tired of sitting on your butt all day with nothing to do? Apply to be a TaskRabbit and help others as well as make some extra cash. There are 4 simple steps. 1. Fill out this application form. 2. Complete a video interview. 3. Complete a secure background check. And 4. Take a short informational quiz. Completing this application will require your home address, your preferred task types, means of transportation, talents, devices you use daily, how competent you are using the internet, availability, willingness to do a background check, and your date of birth. In addition to applying to be a TaskRabbit, you can also apply to be an affiliate. An affiliate allows HTML linking between your website and TaskRabbit.com. Simply click on Apply to be Affiliate and fill out the required information: your website, advertising plan, business address, and how you would define your business. Then click Apply.